for today is parts of a plant. In part 1, you have learned the functions of a plant's root. In this class, you are going to learn the functions of a plant's stem. The functions of a plant's stem. Plants have stems. The stem grows up from the ground. The stem supports the leaves so the leaves can catch sunlight. If there is no stem, will they be able to face the sunlight? No. The stem supports the leaves so the leaves can catch sunlight. Have you ever watered plants in home or garden? Usually, we say we watered plant, isn't it? But actually, we water the ground. Do you know how water goes into the plant? First, the roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Then, the stem carries the water from the roots to the leaves and flowers. How water travels inside the plant? The stem has many tiny hollow tubes. Through it, water travels to the other parts of the plant. We can't see the hollow tubes using our naked eyes. We can see them only using a microscope. The picture at the right side shows a microscopic view of hollow tubes. These tubes carry water, minerals, and food that is prepared by plant. There are two types of hollow tubes inside a stem. They are called xylem and phloem. Xylem carries water and minerals. Xylem allows movement of water and minerals only in upward direction, that is, from roots to stem. Xylem will not allow the movement of water and minerals in the downward direction. You all learned in previous classes that leaves prepared the plant food. Can anyone guess how roots and stem get their food prepared by the leaves? There is another type of hollow tube inside the stem called phloem. The food prepared by the leaves moves upward and downward to all parts of a plant through phloem. In phloem, the food materials can move in both directions, upward and downward. But please note, as we learned earlier, in xylem, water and minerals can move only in upward direction. I repeat, xylem carries water and minerals only in upward direction, but phloem can carry the food materials in both directions. Also, xylem will not carry food and phloem will not carry water. Look at the leaves in the picture. You can see many lines. These are called veins. The water and food get transported using these veins. Veins are composed of both xylem and phloem. How water travels inside the plant? Water travels inside a plant through hollow tubes. In the stem, these are called xylem and phloem. In leaves, they are called veins. The last point in this topic, a tree's stem. A tree is a large plant. A tree's stem is called its trunk. It is made from wood and has great strength. Trees grow slowly all their lives. Anyone know which is the longest living tree? Bristlecone pine. It is 5,000 years old. Bristlecone pine is found in California and Nevada in the United States. How scientists calculate the age of a tree? The most popular method of determining the age of a tree is counting the rings formed inside the trunk of the tree. What is tree rings? When we observe the inner portion of a trunk, you will find many rings as shown in the figure. These are called tree rings. These rings in a tree help us to find the age of the tree. This tree was about 70 years old. Let's recall. The stem grows up from the ground. A plant stem dash the branches and leaves supports. The dash carries water to leaves and flowers. Stem. Hollow tubes inside the stem are called dash and dash, xylem and phloem. Hollow tubes inside the leaves are called veins. A tree's stem is called trunk. The dash in the tree trunk show how many years it grew for. Rings.